Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM. So basically in order to upgrade your RAM you need to first check what is the RAM installed in your PC, the RAM size. So for that you need to go to Task Manager. So just press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard. So Task Manager will be opened and go to Performance and then go to Memory. So as you can see here, 4 GB of memory is installed in my PC. So now if I want to upgrade the RAM, so you need to check one thing, that like what is the maximum capacity of the RAM that can be installed in your PC. So for that you need to go to command prompt and then you need to enter command WMIC and then you need to enter mem physical get max capacity. Once you enter this you will get the maximum capacity of the RAM that can be installed in your PC. So you just copy this, Ctrl Shift C and then open calculator and then paste it here. Basically this value is in bytes, so you need to divide this in order to get into kilobyte. Divide by 1024. Sorry, this value is in kilobytes and this is in megabytes. Now divide again by 1024. So you will get 8, which means the maximum capacity of this current PC is 8 GB. So in this way you will get the maximum capacity of your PC. So once you got this, so since 4 GB is installed in my PC and then 8 GB is maximum capacity, so I can upgrade the RAM. So one more thing you need to check is go to Task Manager and then in the memory section you will find the slots. So basically in my PC I have only one slot, so in your PC there may be 2 slots also. So choose wisely to buy RAM from the online or something like that. So one more thing you need to do is if you go to online store or something, so you may find that RAM has got a type like DDR5. Now current is DDR5 and if your PC is like little old, 1, 2 or 3 years back, then it will be DDR4. Or if you take PC of let's say 7 to 8 years back, then there will be DDR3 type RAM. So once you are upgrading RAM, you need to know what is your DDR type. So for that you may go to Task Manager and go to Memory. So in some of your PC they'll show here only like DDR4 or DDR5, but in my case it's not showing. So what I need to do is I need to just install this CPU-Z. You need to just go to Google Chrome. So here you have to type CPU-Z. So you will get the first link, CPU-Z CPU ID. Just click on it and scroll down. You will see your setup in English. Just click on it. Close this ad and then click on download now. So just give the path, save, click on show in folder. So just right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and then click on accept the agreement. Click on next. Yeah, we just check this create a desktop icon. Click on next, install, and then finish. This is basically the versions and all stuff. Just close this and go to desktop. And you will find your CPU-Z. Just click on it. Yes. So basically once you run the CPU-Z, you will get an interface of this kind, and you need to go to memory and then in the type you will find that. So the current version of memory in my PC is DDR4. So if you want to upgrade it, if you want to purchase a new memory, then you need to purchase the RAM of DDR4 type only. If you purchase DDR3 or DDR5, then that won't be fit in your PC, because there will be some kind of small pit in RAM, so that it won't fit here. I'll show you basic. So you need to purchase DDR4 type. Also you may check how many slots are there in your PC from this CPU ID. So you need to go to SPID and then click on the slot. Since I have only one slot, so it is showing only one. If you, let's say your PC has 2 slots, then it will be your 2 options you will get here. Now our time is to remove the PC's panel backside and then upgrade the RAM. So just flip your PC and take screwdriver and then unscrew all the screws. Try to open this back cover. You may use some sharp tool. So now your task is to remove this memory. So in order to remove this, you will find here pins, 2 pins there. So you just need to pull out. So from both the ends, you just pull out. So if you pull out, the memory will come outside. So what I was talking about DDR4, DDR3 is, in DDR4 and DDR5 or DDR3, this the pit or this small cutting will be at different positions. That is the reason you need to purchase RAM of correct type. So as I said, in my PC it is DDR4, so you need to purchase, depending on PC you need to purchase it. So now I got RAM of 8 GB. So you need to just install in it. You need to just put it inside and then press it gently. Once you press it, so now the RAM is upgraded to 8 GB. So just close the panel. Gently press it. So now put all the screw and then tighten it. Make sure all the screws are tight. Then flip the PC. Now try to on it. Since you have changed the RAM, so first time it will take more time. Now if you want to check whether RAM is upgraded or not, so as you are saying, these are not still loaded, it is taking more time. So yeah, it's loaded. Now just open. And then now you go to memory. As you can see, the RAM type is DDR4 and then 8 GB. Initially it was 4 GB. Also you can go to task manager and then go to performance and go to memory. So now you find here 8 GB. So in this way you can upgrade your RAM in your PC. So thank you guys for watching my video.